Hi everyone, Teacher Machiko here. How are you today? I'm great, thank you. In this video, let's learn the alphabet chant. Let's learn the name of the letter and the sound of the letter. この動画ではアルファベットのチャンツをやっていきます。アルファベットには名前、そして音がそれぞれ存在しますよね。それらをセットでチャンツで覚えていこうという動画です。Okay, so are you ready to do the chant with me? Let's start! Are you ready for the alphabet chant? A is for apple. Apple. B is for bear. Bear. C is for corn. Corn. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for grape. Grape. H is for horse. Horse. I is for ink. Ink. J is for jet. Jet. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for net. Net. O is for orange. Orange. P is for park. Park. Q is for question. Question. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for strawberry. Strawberry. T is for train. Train. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin. Violin. W is for whale. Whale. X is for fox. Fox. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Zebra! Yay! We did it! Good job, everyone! I hope you enjoyed the alphabet chant. Now we know the name of the letter and the sound of the letter. Good job! ぜひこの動画を見ながらみんなも先生と一緒に口に出して言って練習していきましょう。So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you had fun with me. I sure did. I hope to see you in the next one. See you! Bye-bye!